Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY and the Sweetcrispy. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and convenient features, but which one is right for you? Let's dive into the details. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY ice maker is priced at $79, while the Sweetcrispy model is more affordable at $59. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're on a budget. Both ice makers produce ice at a similar rate, with the EUHOMY capable of making 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the Sweetcrispy can produce slightly more at 26.5 pounds. Both machines can make 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them efficient choices for your ice needs. The EUHOMY ice maker includes an auto-cleaning feature, which is a great convenience for maintenance. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy offers the unique advantage of producing 2 sizes of bullet ice, catering to different preferences for drinks and food. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers have their strengths. If you prioritize a compact design and auto-cleaning, the EUHOMY might be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with versatile ice sizes, consider the Sweetcrispy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.